I am an intern, student, and graduating student.
Bakit ba?
Lately, I've been obsessed waking up early. Hi guys, I'm on the way to my duty. If you wanna love me. And this one kasi is marami na akong nalalagay. Finally, nasa kotse na ako. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to another vlog. This is a weekly vlog. Obviously, nakikita nyo naman, nagbabalik loob na ako sa YouTube. Today is Sunday, so obviously, may pasok na ako tomorrow, which is Monday. Again, this is a duty. Nag-i-intern na si ate. I am an intern, student, and graduating student, and wag niyo akong i-evil eye kasi gusto ko nang gumraduate. Basically, I'll just vlog this whole week for you guys, and today is Sunday, so basically, I'm just gonna prep myself for tomorrow at sa buong duty na to. I'm also gonna show you my night routine. I'm gonna take a bath because I usually take a bath talaga. Hindi kasi ako naliligo pag pumapasok to save time. Kasi sobrang layo ng bahay namin sa office. I'm telling you, bumabiyahe ako ng 1 oras. I'm just gonna prepare my bag for tomorrow. Ang hilig ko sa mga anek-anek ngayon. Tignan nyo, ang cute niya, diba? Ang dami nag-ask ko saan ko binili itong bag na to. It's from TikTok, Bag Smart siya. Ayun, tignan nyo, ang dami kong anek-anek ngayon kasi wala lang, nakahiligan ko siya. I actually don't know what bag I'm gonna be using. Maybe this one. Ito kasi pretty niya. Oh, cute-cute lang siya. And this one kasi is marami na akong nalalagay. Like, as in, even my laptop, kasya siya dito. I think let's just go for this one kasi ayaw naman natin maging hassle para lang maging aesthetic. Ito yung sa loob niya. It's literally spacious. Tapos may mga compartment siya. Ate, pang retouch mo. For blushes, I only use powder blushes kapag retouch. Kaya lalagay ko siya dito. Pang kilay. This one, I'm actually bringing also this palette. And this one. This is my favorite shade of Arcadia Lippy ngayon. It's the 06 Felicity. Mouth spray. And my inhaler. My blush brush. I have here 2 perfume dessert. Dreamy, medyo very, very sweet siya. I'll go with this one. Essentials is okay. Ito kasing pouch na to yung dinadala ko sa car every time na nagmamadali ako. IDG Osmo packet because nagko-content ako lagi. Nakalimutan ko yung laptop ko sa baba. Hope Glow, hair ties, band-aids, Moonbeam Daily Hair Spray. Then mga chargers na lang. Guys, lately I've been obsessed waking up early. Not just, of course, it's my duty today, but there's something in morning na ang tahimik, it's peaceful. Say hi to my vlog. Let's do a quick get ready with me video. I love using moisturizer. I've been breaking out lately again. Like, what the hell? And I've been really taking care of my skin now kasi yung goal ko talaga this year is to have clear skin, glowing, fresh. I've been taking care of my health also kasi ayoko magkasakit, especially now that I'm taking my internship. Ang hirap pag nagkakasakit kasi days are really unproductive. TBH, when I started vlogging, super naging productive ko kasi nga wala na akong ma-content. So, I will just show you guys what my day looks like, what my life looks like in a day. You know what I mean? Kaya, pag nag-vlog ako, expected, ang dami talagang ganap sa buhay ko in just one day. Hi. So, this is my fit from TikTok shop, Hattie Diary, and pants from Shein. Heels from TikTok shop. Bye! I'll miss you. Bye-bye. Finally! Nasa kotse na ako. Dami ko pinagdaanan. Oh my God, namiss ko talaga yung Canon G7X ko. I'm not gonna vlog inside the car because basically maingay ito guys. Yung kotse na to. Thank you! I'm here guys. Morning ate!
Yan.
Nagpag-grab kami ng Starbucks. That's Bernice. Hi vlog, hi vlog. Hi.
Sino marunong magtahi?
So today is Sunday. Magka-cafe kami.
Bakit na bro?
Ang daming nagsabi sa inyo lumaki na si Carl. Yes, may girlfriend na po siya.
Hoy!
Asus!
Type 1. Ako'y bibili. Hindi, di ba?
Type 1. Si Mami nga may schedule na din eh.
Ano sa kanya?
Zumba daw. Diyos ko.
Hindi ko man
Pwede, masobrang namin
hindi na ako gagaling magdadrive pag wala akong dinadrive.
Magdadrive ka nga.
Baby.
After 1 hour na nagla-line kami, andito na finally. Busog na ako. Ngayon ko lang naalala mag-vlog. And dala rin namin si Ali. Naka-stroller siya. Baby! Hindi na.
Walang dalawa.
Isa lang.
First salad.
Hi guys, I'm on the way to my duty. Today, it's Monday. This is the daan looks like. Laging sinasarado yung main na road namin. That's why, pinapaikot kami lagi dyan, which is so annoying. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Mag-grab muna ako. Oh shit already. Dito ako sa pantry right now. Usually dito laging maraming tao. Every lunch.
Pwede no?
Now we are here in studio. Anong tawag sa lugar na to, Sheen? Shooting studio. Hindi formal masyado. Very, very casual. Si ano ulit? Gator Green. Ayan sila. Ganyan mo yung ginagawa nila.
Huwag niyong bigyan ng ano yung ano, pero nak mag-hi ka lang. Hi lang. Mariel, bro ka din. Also, hi sir. Hi. Hi ma'am. Ganyan-ganyan lang nak, huwag ka mag-cheat. May jowa ka din na? Ay, ako rin. May jowa ka na? Ay, meron din. Bakit ba?
Kasi sex bomb dancer. Di ba sikat doon? Tapos yung tito ko, di ko alam atake niya no. Gusto niya ibigay sa akin yung bomb na name.
Oo.
Kasi sex bomb
Ah,
daw.
so B-O-M-B.
Yeah, pero ginawang bomb para hindi
B-A-M.
naman yeah.
So, grabe pala, batang sex bomb pala to. Emotional ka.
Di, ba't di ko expect yung ganung tanong?
Eh, di ka nanood nung sa kanya. Sabi Sheena.
Ito well, Sheena. So, I'm done with my lunch. And basically, kanina morning, nag-podcast kami. Task will be live streaming on TikTok. So, follow nyo guys yung CLTV36 TikTok page kasi I do live there pag trip ko. So, and also pag sinabi sa akin. So, by the way, here's my feed. Bye! Madali talaga ako kasi I don't wanna pay for the parking anymore. We are home, guys. Tignan nyo. Pag nakita na niya ako from the shadow, lilik